Did you know one of the biggest fuel thieves under your hood isn't your spark plugs, your air filter, or even your injectors? It's that little plastic lid you twist off every time you get gas your gas cap. Sounds crazy, right? But ignoring. This tiny part could be draining your wallet, stealing horsepower, and even lighting up the dreaded check engine light. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see why this overlooked part can make or break your car's performance and how a few simple tricks can save you from costly repairs. Think about it. People spend thousands chasing better performance or fuel efficiency. But what if I told you that sometimes the secret to smoother acceleration and more miles per gallon costs less than your morning coffee? Let's dive in, because after today, you'll never look at your gas cap the same way again. Secret number 1: replace a cracked or worn gas cap. That gas cap isn't just keeping fuel from sloshing out, it's holding the entire fuel system under the right pressure. When the rubber seal cracks or wears down, vapors escape and your engine struggles. The result? Stalling, hesitation, or weak acceleration. The fix? A brand new cap, usually under $20. That's less than a pizza night, and it restores pressure, fuel delivery, and performance instantly. Secret number 2: a loose cap could be the reason your check engine light is on. Here's a fun fact: one of the most common reasons for a check engine light isn't a serious engine failure, it's a loose gas cap. If you've ever seen codes like P0440 or P0457 pop up, odds are it's your cap not sealing properly. Twist it until it clicks, or replace it if it no longer tightens. It's one of the cheapest repairs you'll ever do, and it could clear that warning light before you even leave the driveway. Secret number 3: clean the cap and filler enemies. It's not broken, it's just dirty. Dust, sand, and fuel residue can ruin the seal. That's where a little WD-40 comes in. Spray a bit on a clean cloth, wipe the gasket and threads, and watch it work magic. Not only does this restore the seal, but it also protects against corrosion. It's basically a spa day for your gas cap. Who knew car care could feel this luxurious? Secret number 4: vented vs non-vented captures, where most drivers get tripped up. Not all caps are the same. Some cars need vented caps to equalize tank pressure, others need fully sealed ones. Use the wrong type, and you'll confuse your sensors and mess up fuel delivery. Always check your manual or risk buying the wrong lid for your car's health. The next time you're chasing performance or trying to stretch that gas tank, don't just think about the big ticket items. Sometimes the smallest fix, a simple gas cap, can deliver the biggest difference. If you enjoyed this, hit that subscribe button, because every week we uncover ways to save money, protect your car, and take control of your automotive future. After all, living wealthy starts with keeping your car healthy. Catch you in the next one.